We at Alta Planning and Design would like to respond to the City of Portland's Bureau of Transportation RFP number 113188 and present our solution to create a bike share system in the City of Portland that is well designed, maintained, and safe for riders. We have been doing business for over 15 years. Our founder, Michael Jones, envisioned a company that was dedicated exclusively to bicycle, pedestrian, and trail planning and design. Our experience includes over 500 bicycle master plans nationwide, ranging from large urban areas such as Portland, Oregon, to suburban, rural, and small communities throughout the United States. Alta staff have been involved in implementation of more than 5,000 miles of bikeways, walkways, and trails. We also led a bicycle master plan for Dubai, the first in the Middle East. The 900-mile network will provide new bike parking, improved bikeways connections to Dubai's metro and bus transit systems, and supportive policies and programs. Our sister company, Alta Bicycle Share, already have many successes around the U.S. implementing and managing bike share programs. In 2010, we launched Capital Bike Share, which is at our Washington, D.C. location stretching to Arlington, Virginia. Capital Bike Share puts over 1,500 bicycles at your fingertips, and you can choose any of their 160-plus stations. The cost structure keeps in mind the difference between the casual riders versus the frequent riders. To use Capital Bike Share, you must first become a member. There are 5 membership options: 24-hour, 3-day, 30-day, annual, or annual installments. Annual membership is only $75, whereas the 24-hour pass is just $7. Since September 2010, we have seen a significant increase in the number of trips per month, with last month peaking at almost 200,000 rides. In 2010 alone, we gained over 95,000 24-hour passes and 13,000 in annual memberships. While the casual riding passes have declined, we show that the annual membership have significantly increased, and we are now looking to expand to Alexandria, Virginia, due to the heavy usage and need. These bicycle share programs have the ability to give power to the community and promote environmental, social, and economic justice. As cities grow and become more dense, the need to expand transportation options and pathways is growing. We care about our city and want to help Portland by designing an effective solution for its bike share program while keeping in mind the city's structure, the safety of our riders, and a convenience that allows anyone to take advantage of this program.
The positive economic effects for this project apply to everyone. This is an affordable version of public transportation that appeals to all economic classes. Also, members are more inclined to keep their money local. Local businesses have reported several benefits from the implementation of a public bike infrastructure. In a study on bike corrals, businesses reported increased number of customers, improved built environment for customers, and improved street visibility. The evidence suggests that bike infrastructure projects in relation to local businesses has the ability to provide a number of services for local businesses. Businesses also reported that cyclists already make up a large portion of the customer base. The implementation of a bike infrastructure would aim to capitalize on existing demand for bicycle parking, use, or trails. 83.7% of businesses reported that at least 1 out of 10 customers were cyclists. A study by Gochi estimates 30 minutes of daily bicycling are credited with $544 in healthcare savings annually. Providing this local service keeps money within the community by giving them alternative means of transportation. Instead of money going to foreign countries for fossil fuels, it is going straight to the city and its employees working for this bike share service. Increasing in bicycling means people are getting more physical activity. This leads to healthcare savings and a reduced mortality rate.
Our recommendation is to capitalize on existing bike networks and infrastructure in the city of Portland. We'll add 74 hubs and 700 public bicycles. Bike share has the ability to build communities and to put more eyes on the ground. The geographical positioning of these bikes will be based on the demographics of each region and the propensity to ride a bicycle. Technologies will ensure theft and damage prevention, as well as provide usage data for future bicycle infrastructure needs. Bike share hubs will be placed based on demographic data. Here's a picture of where to place bike share hubs will be based on a number of variables. Some variables include population aged 20 to 30, retail density, access to bike networks, and access to light rail networks. Here's a photo of the City of Portland with 74 bike share hubs. Washington, D.C. has provided data on the propensity of bicycling within the city based on access to bike share hubs. Different areas of the city are likely to acquire more customers at a bike share location than others based on these variables. Bikes are parked and locked at various bike hub locations using an RFID HID card technology. The power sources for these hubs can include local power supply or a solar power collector on the top of the unit. Tracking is done through GPS and RFID. This is all to ensure that the bikes are not stolen, to report usage data, and to further development of bike share networks. Our goal is to provide environmental, societal, and economic impacts wherever possible. We believe that action creates a reaction, and then feedback can create more action again. We believe our actions at Alta Bike Share have positive health benefits, produce safe communities, and provide people with accessible transportation that benefits local businesses and promotes sustainable economic growth, as well as energy independence within communities. We believe that can feed back to our environment and make the world a better place for us to live. The goals of Portland Bike Share are to increase the access and diversity of transportation networks throughout the city, to provide healthy, safe, and accessible forms of recreation and exercise in every community, to increase the connectedness and the density of our communities and urban environments in a way that promotes sustainable economic growth.